up and it's peeking through the trees. Beautiful. Spring weather's here. Trees are starting to blossom and we're getting some leaves on them. And we've got day number 9 here on the land clearing projects. And I'm gonna take you over here. I'm gonna update you. What they're doing today is they're hauling off some big brush piles in the dump truck, moving them to the other side of the farm. And we're gonna go over here and basically direct traffic. Not direct traffic out in the road, but actually direct them to what we want them to do with these huge rocks out on the pond. And I'll show you. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna put huge rocks out in the pond so we'll have a place to like hop rock to go fishing. If you wanna finish the project off nicely, you wanna have beautiful landscape, and part of finishing this land clearing project behind me here is landscaping. So we put some big stones up here and we'll just take you around and show you, and we'll place these rocks. Come along today and we'll show you the progress and we'll show you the project. All right, let's have some fun.
Yes, I was born down on the water. Yes, I was born and I was raised.
All right, guys, we're gonna follow the excavator over here. Actually, we're gonna beat the excavator over. So he's coming down the hill here with the excavator, and all this may seem kind of silly to you, but it's what I want. And I want to be able to hop rock to rock out here and fish in my fish pond. So that's what I want. So let's watch him do it. I'm gonna direct rock traffic. Should be fun. Can't have fun, what good's life? Set him right there. Take that one and set it out as the next step. And then we'll take bigger and bigger out to the next steps. Leave about that much space in between them if you can. This guy's looking at me like I'm an idiot. Paying 200 bucks an hour here and I want to have some fun with it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Folks, don't forget, click that like button down there. Just pound it. Pound that like button right now. Boom. Hit it, okay? It helps the channel a whole lot, helps support the channel, and helps get these videos out there so other YouTubers can see them. All right? The pond is swallowing them up more than I thought it would. The danger here is that the excavator could actually tip over into the pond, but we got bulldozers, we can get it out. These boulders are thousands of pounds. This is the most dangerous rock. It's the biggest one. It runs a risk of tipping. I don't know if you saw that or not. He told me if it starts to tip, I'm dropping it. Told him to just start piling rocks. Just start making a big pile out in the water back here, and hopefully by the end of the pile, we'll finish off with some nice big smooth rocks. It's gonna be really cool. I might even mount like a fighting chair out there where you can just sit down and rotate, fish, catch big bass. It'd be awesome. I think a little more thought needs to go into this. They just keep sinking up or falling over in the water. I think probably the best thing to do would have been to put the really rough rocks on the bottom and make a pile, and then put the pretty rock on the top. While we're working here, guys, I'll tell you what's going on today. Today, most of the burn piles on this side of the farm have gone out, and what's happening is he's picking up these burn piles and he's taking them over across on the other side of the farm with the dump truck. And what we're doing there is eventually, once they get cold, once they're not burning anymore, we have a big gully and we're gonna fill in that gully. Now, we're not gonna make pasture out of that gully. We're just gonna fill in that gully with the old stumps and stuff like that. Just makes sense. So that's what you'll see in the drone footage. I'll walk you through and talk you through what's going on there. One of the cool things about doing this right here is that it's gonna make good fish habitat, and it's also gonna make a place for the turtles to crawl up on. So, want a beautiful farm, beautiful place, and good habitat for wildlife. So we're about to wrap it up right here. We got one more rock we're gonna put on here. It's a big old flat rock. That's about it. So we'll take you over with the drone, walk you through what's going on, the process that's going on, the thought process, and then we'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll be digging with a disc harrow to try to loosen up the land, and then we'll run over it with a seed drill, a no-till seed drill. It'll be real fun. So come on back and see me, all right? See you soon on the Stony Ridge, guys. All right, so we've got a view of the farm right here, and this is just an overview across from our house. If you look up Right in the center of your screen, that's the next area that we're going to be clearing off for field, for pasture. And you see a couple hay bales in the middle of the field. This spot we're traveling over right now was a spot that was gully washed, and we had them fix that. We're going to drill seed down in that. And we'll pop over the dump truck here and watch the Caterpillar 963B go at it here. It's a cab model 6-cylinder Caterpillar. Basically, he's scooping up remnants of where we had a fire, and pretty much he'll just go along all the way through the farm. Anywhere there are remnants of where we had a fire, he's scooping it up, putting it in the dump truck, and taking it over to a gully on the back side of the farm and dumping them out, and then pushing them over into the gully to fill that in. Just a spot on the farm where we needed a hole filled in. And it's better than leaving them out there in the middle of the field for another 2 years like the previous piles. They all just kind of set out there. So pretty good shot of the Caterpillar at work right here, and that's it. Just want to let you guys know what's going on here. Stay tuned for the next vlog or so, and you'll see the progress as things have gone on. I'll clean this up, and we'll take a huge disc harrow and drag over the fields and loosen the dirt, and then we'll go through and seed it. So the next vlog should be cleaning up the fields.